Our topic for today is about dragon fruit. Uh, the origins, history of dragon fruit. Okay? Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, has a fascinating history that's deeply rooted in Central and South America. This vibrant fruit originates from several species of cactus in the genus Helioceros, native to regions like Mexico and Central America. Origin and history. Ancient use. The Mayan civilization valued dragon fruit for its medicinal properties, using it to manage blood sugar, promote wound healings, and treat conditions like dysentery and tumors. Aztec influence. Aztecs utilized dragon fruit in religious ceremonies and as an offering to deities or God. They also extracted juice for red dye used in body paint and textile. Spread over time. Dragon fruit cultivation spread to Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam, Thailand, and the Philippines, becoming a notable crop or modern agriculture. The dragon fruit. Health benefits. Dragon fruit is packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds like flavonoids, phenols, anthocyanins, and betalins, contributing to numerous health benefits. Key benefits. Number one, antioxidant properties rich in combating oxidative stress and inflammation. Number two, anti-inflammatory effects help manage inflammation-related conditions. Number three, supports heart health, may lower cholesterol, and improve lipid profiles. Number four, aids digestion. High fiber content support digestive health. Number five, immunity boost. Vitamin C enhances immune function. Number six, cancer prevention. Anti-proliferative properties against certain cancer cells. Number seven, blood sugar regulation. Low glycemic index beneficial for diabetes management. Number eight, skin health. Vitamin C promotes collagen production. Nutritional highlights. Number one, vitamin C boosts immunity. Number two, fiber supports digestion and satiety or satiety. What is meant by satiety? Refers to the feeling of fullness and satisfaction after eating, which reduces the desire to eat for a period of time. Number three, antioxidant. Betalins and polyphenols combat free radicals. Number four, the last, minerals. Iron and magnesium contribute to overall health. Sila!